Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it is me, back on my channel, and today I want to talk about 5 ways that you can make money in 2024. We all want to make money. I definitely do. Everybody does. And there's so many niches to go into. Number 1 is cryptocurrency. Crypto has gotten way bigger than it ever has before. It's great. My friends invest in crypto. I know a lot of people invest in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all that stuff. Number 2, you're not gonna believe it, is actually social media marketing. A lot of companies need people to market things for them. And social media is definitely one of those things you can use, utilizing that and making a lot more content. Number 3 would actually be lawn mowing. Lawn mowing businesses are going off. It is a huge industry. A lot of people are making money from this, landscaping, lawn mowing, these things. I personally have a friend who does lawn mowing. He does landscaping. He primarily does lawn mowing, exactly. And he makes so much money. It's crazy. Number 4 would be actually YouTube, ironically, is making YouTube content and producing it. And, you know, YouTube is a huge thing for money. There's so much money to be made on YouTube. It is amazing, actually. And number 5 would actually have to be, well, believe it or not, it would actually have to be education. Education is a huge market. If you can find a way to, you know, teach something, teach a skill to somebody, it's a huge market. And learning a skill and teaching it will make you as rich as you can possibly be, because there are students, especially private tutoring, that will pay you a lot of money so you can teach them a skill. But that part, of course, it requires skills. So these are all great things you can make money, but it requires work and it requires a lot of skills. It also requires a lot of patience. Being on YouTube, being on these platforms is not easy. A lot of people don't do it. I do it. I have some friends who do it. Some of my friends don't. Some of my friends tell me, man, I don't want to do it because I'm what if people judge me? What will people think of me? And I tell them that, listen, man, it's like, if you don't want to do it, you don't want to have to do it, but I'm gonna do it. Some of my other friends are gonna do it, and I want you, if you guys want to do it, it's your choice. But between the people who watch this video there's gonna be 2 people who watch, the 2 different groups here who watch this video. The people who did the stuff I asked them to do, and there's also gonna be the people who didn't do the stuff that I asked them to do. For the people who did the things I asked them to do, you will yield results, right? It's like a guy who does what he's told as a student, right? Like 2 students, one does what the teacher asks, the other doesn't do it. The student who works hard and does what the teacher asks him to do will reap the rewards. But the person who doesn't do the things will not reap those rewards. It takes an element of hard work, an element of discipline. But the rewards are great. That's why all these industries are great. They make a lot of money, they're amazing, and they're simply just incredible. And you will make so much money, guys. There's so much money to be made. My friends make so much money. I am making good money. And it's amazing. So yeah, those are 5 ways to make money, 2024. A lot of great industries to go into. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, sharing, subscribing. I really appreciate it. Love you guys. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.